Namaste Bitya. I, JV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Faculty of Education and Mathology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is checkpoint. So checkpoint is a type of mechanism where all the previous log are removed from the system and permanently stored in the storage disk. So checkpoint is similar to a bookmark, while the execution of the transaction such as checkpoint as mark, and the transaction is executed then using the steps of the transaction. So the log files will be created. When it reaches to the checkpoint, then the transaction will be updated into to the database. Until that point, the entire log file will be removed from the file. So the log file is updated with the new step of transaction, the next checkpoint, and so on. So the checkpoint is used to declare a point before which the DBMS was in the consistent state and all transactions were committed. We use recovery using checkpoint why and when. In the following manner, a recovery system recovered the database from this failure. Suppose checkpoint T1, then checkpoint T2, T3, T4, and this is the failure. ठीक है, यहाँ checkpoint हो रहा है and that one is failure, and how many time they take. The recovery system read log file from the end to the start. It read log file from T4 to T1. Recovery system maintain two lists, a redo list and a undo list. The transition is put into redo state if the recovery system see along with tn start and tn commit or tn commit in the redo list and their previous list. All the transitions are removed and then redone before saving their logs. For example, in the log file, transaction T2, T3 will have tn start and tn commit. The T1 transition will have only tn commit in the log file. That's why the transition is committed after the checkpoint is crossed. Hence, it puts T1, T2, T3 transaction into redo list. The transaction is put into undo state if the recovery system sees a log with tn start, but no commit or abort log found. In the undo list, all the transactions are undone and their logs are removed. For example, transaction T4 will have tn start, so T4 will be put into undo list since this transaction is not yet complete and failed amid. So I hope आपको इस वीडियो में क्लियर हुआ होगा. This is the simple checkpoint. What is checkpoint? What is the recovery by using checkpoint? So if you have any query, any doubt, then message me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.